Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the essentials. Pick a consistent study block and a defined spot because habit reduces background surprises. Once done, silence your phone and close unnecessary tabs so you remove most sudden noises. This prevents attention shifts. Put on comfortable noise-isolating headphones or soft foam earplugs to cut steady hum and distant chatter, and play a low-volume ambient track if you need masking. This helps your brain focus on the task, not the noise. Now you move into active control. Layer masking and cancellation so unwanted sounds vanish or become irrelevant. First, enable noise canceling on your headphones and tweak the equalizer to reduce distracting frequencies. This handles intermittent sounds. Next, run a white noise or nature track at a moderate volume, about the level of a quiet conversation, because it fills gaps without overwhelming your focus. At the same time, place soft barriers like a rug or door. To finish, you validate the setup. Do a 15-minute focused run and notice if your attention holds. If not, tweak volume, seating, or barrier placement. Once complete, schedule short timed breaks so you're less tempted by noise-induced frustration. If an unexpected loud source continues, relocate briefly or use higher attenuation earplugs for that session. This preserves momentum. One troubleshooting tip. If masking causes fatigue, switch to complete quiet with earplugs for a short block, and then return to mask study.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.